Alright.
Yeah.
Sick.
You can do it. Don't you want to?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Okay. Now, your right hand goes here.
Okay.
Not up here.
Right.
Here. You're holding on tight with this.
Right.
This, you're holding on tight like this. Gently wrapped around. This pushes, the bottom hand pulls.
Okay.
Okay?
It's like a...
Yeah. Now, the standard cut, your right foot is going to be forward.
Okay.
This is going to be over your head as far back as you want.
Okay.
You want me to move the car?
What?
Does the car need to be moved?
What?
The car!
What about it?
Back it up?
Yeah, I can put it through. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Anyway, think 45-degree angle, hitting at the angle of the neck and the shoulder.
Okay.
Okay? And project through. Do not let your whole body come around like that.
Okay.
You're just going to come
Just
project
the wrist.
through. Right.
Just...
Well, actually, it's the shoulders and elbows. Yeah.
Okay.
The pie cut in China is done completely with the shoulders, the elbows.
Really? So they're just...
Yeah.
Okay. That's crazy.
This isn't a pie cut.
Right.
This is a... Okay, now, the protocol of handing a sword back and forth, or live sword, is I take it and I hand it towards you.
Okay.
You take the bottom, and when you have it, you give it a little shake.
Okay. Alright. Then right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Looking good.
Alright, and then you just go like that.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. Oh, you're right. Let's try it again. Damn, dude, this thing is freaking
Okay, now
slick.
do a horizontal.
Like,
Horizontal.
oh, like, alright.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude, this thing is freaking sweet.